everyone, it's been a little while since we did our last video, but now we've moved into a new house. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these Christmas cookies. Oat and craisin cookies. Let's go! First, we put our dry ingredients together, which is flour, baking soda, salt and cinnamon. And then we mix it up. Next, we put in the butter, white sugar and brown sugar into the mixer. And we're gonna mix it together. We've added our butter in, and now we're gonna put in our white and brown sugar. And some melting of butter. Yay. And now we're gonna beat it for a couple of minutes until it's nice and creamy. Whoa. It's all mixed. Now we gotta put the egg and vanilla in. Ready to mix. Flour, cinnamon, baking soda, salt. Now I've got to fold it all the way until it's combined. Folding. Dun dun! Okay, now we add in oats, chocolate, and dun dun dun, craisins! Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Oats! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Porridge mix. Fold. Now we put it onto the trays by. Okay, now we bake them at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. You might need to go up to help. Okay, it is time for the tasting. Let's see if this is good. That's a good soft cookie. Yes. It's so good. You should make some of your own. Leave them out for Santa on Christmas Eve. You should. Make some now and try it. Do it now. See you next time.